Hello everyone, Joe here in Dubai. Fresh change of scenery this evening. Bit tired, I'm not gonna lie, folks. I'm gonna make this, a short update, but I think we got to talk about the market briefly because again, I think we've seen some key price action on Bitcoin. But first, today I've been running around all over the place, running around all over Dubai, taking investment from all different sources. A lot of heavy players in the market. People of high net worth, and certainly some individuals that hold a lot of respect for, and individuals I deem as smart money. And it's really interesting because the more people I talk to like this, they're not getting into Bitcoin. They're certainly not buying altcoins at the minute, and they are sat on a quite mind-boggling sum of stable coins. Some of these individuals, huge amounts of stable coins, characters that you guys out there would probably define as whales, and they're looking for safe investments. That's why they've been contacting myself and IK. They want to earn 25% APY that we do through LuxFairs that you guys are aware of. But either way, some that are just sitting on stable coins, and I know there's a lot more people out there just sat on stable coins at the minute because there's still this feeling that the macro environment is not great, and I think we are continuing to see it in the price action this year. I think the certain market makers have got that rally up on markets, but things are looking like they're rolling now. When Bitcoin a few hours back, price action was around about 27,300. I put out on Twitter that I do think that BTC could get seriously rejected in this area. Got to 27,400 to the penny on Bybit at the minute. I haven't checked other exchanges, but I safely presume it's probably around about 27,400 at the top of the minute. And time of recording, we're now down at about 26,600. That daily candle is looking quite nasty, quite like a heavy rejection on Bitcoin at the minute, folks. So is Bitcoin essentially just set another lower high? If it doesn't rally in the next couple of days and doesn't break up to 28,000, this is like really I had a lot of confidence that the top was in for this year. And this price action today, if we break down further, I think if we lose 26k in particular now, 23k looks programmed to me, folks. Now there'll be some saying there is still a bullish scenario where that could be potential of a wave 2 bottom, and then we get a strong impulse reversal to new yearly highs. That will be the last case for the bulls this year, but I personally don't think that's going to play out. My opinions. I still think lower lows are programmed on Bitcoin, on the vast majority of altcoins, and very much there's potential for lower lows on the index markets, be it the Nasdaq, the S&P, and the Dow Jones. And you better believe, folks, if they go to lower lows, Bitcoin is going to lower lows. I'm going to tell you that much now. Of course, none of this is financial advice, and I can't guarantee you that, but I would be absolutely stunned, folks, if that didn't play out. So indexes today pretty flat. DXY is looking really strong. The more the DXY just goes sideways around this 105 region that it's looking really, really bullish. I still stick by saying if we get consolidation above 105.50 that I showed on a video a few days back, that if we get consolidation in that area, I do think it's game over for the bulls. I think the bulls are in real trouble in these markets, because that will be a real bullish indicator for the DXY. Once it holds that 105.50, it should comfortably break through 106, 107. Probably see a pullback around high 107, 108. But again, has it started a new uptrend on the DXY? I think if and when, because I am expecting us to get to that stage. When we get to that stage, I think we'll be looking at some good confirmation on the DXY heading to new highs, or at least to retest the highs that we seen last year. So DXY looking bullish to me. Bitcoin not looking bullish. Again, you're going to see a load of it on our Twitter X. That loads of people are going to be posting all kinds of moon charts. The same people that told you that we would have been at $100,000 Bitcoin now. Some of them even said we'd be at $200,000 Bitcoin now. You know, guys, how ridiculous those predictions have played out. And again, I told you about the multi-year bear market for those that have been following us for a long time now. I made that prediction early in January 2022, and I did say that is what it is, multi-year. It's going to take a long time. It's going to be a hell of a grind down on these markets, and it's going to be designed to shake you guys out. And here we are, not quite 2 years. I think we're over 18 months now since that point, and you guys are sticking around, so well done. But I do think you've got to keep sticking around. You've got to have a long-term mindset. This isn't going to be a get-rich-quick scheme that you've heard about people have managed to do with crypto in bull runs, or just been at lucky moments, or just happened to buy some absolute shitcoin that went on some crazy pump. As long as they took profits, we always teach taking profits, but the vast majority of us have to be realistic. The odds of that happening aren't great, and to even be in a situation where that can happen, you have to take a hell of a risk, and it's probably not worth it for the majority of us. I do strongly believe that we can all invest sensibly, with caution, with using risk management, and still make an absolute fortune in the next bull run. I truly believe that, folks. I really hope you believe that too, and all of you watching, I really hope that plays out for you. We talk about being in the community. I appreciate some people like to invest themselves, don't like other people's ideas, but then if you're one of those, you probably wouldn't be watching this channel right now anyway. So you guys are part of the community. If you want to be in our Discord, you absolutely should be. It's completely free to join. The link for the Discord is in the description below. Come and join us. Today was a fantastic day in the Discord. We have Fantasy Crypto, again, completely free to enter, and some lucky winners have shared 300 USDT today, or they will be receiving that prize rather when I get round to sending it out. You guys, the members watching, know who you are, so well done, you guys. In fact, great that you took part, and that's what it's all about. Can't remember if this is the third or fourth one now we've done over the last few months, so this isn't just a one-off. We're regularly providing USDT to our community because we love to give back. One, we can afford to as well. Don't get me wrong, we wouldn't be doing it if we couldn't afford to, so don't worry about that, guys. But yeah, we like to give back to the community. That's what it's all about. I don't know which other channels are doing this, but it doesn't matter if they are or aren't. That's just what we do. So Bitcoin rejected, not a huge amount to say on altcoins, still holding a lot of shorts on altcoins. But guys, like I said, going to make this a quick one. Thank you all for watching. Let's see how this market plays out this week. And of course, we've got FOMC coming, so be prepared for some volatility. Have a good night. Take care. I'll see you again.